Hi guys, I welcome you back to my Facebook page and YouTube channel Excel English Academy. Guys, I'm really happy to see all of you here being a part of this group, and I can see there are a number of people coming every day to join our group, and it is absolutely uh, delightful thing to see number of people are increasing every day also, and they are interested to learn and improve their communication. And this is what my vision is, and I'd like to see all of you uh, overcoming your fear and understand how to speak an effective English. So let's starts our today's video. And in this video, guys, we are going to cover the helping verb of do, does, did. How to use them, I will explain you each and everything in detail. So let's start our video with this question. The first point says, Did Harry come to the office yesterday? क्या कल हैरी ऑफिस आया था? So guys, it is a question. Always try to remember. First person सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ में हमेशा do आता है. थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ में हमेशा does आता है. और हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है डिड के साथ में, और अगर थर्ड पर्सन है तो उसके साथ में एस लगता है या ई एस लगता है. सो लेट्स पुट द करेक्ट आंसर हेयर. डिड हैरी कम टू द ऑफिस येस्टरडे? डिड हैरी कम? सो हेयर वी हैव टू यूज कम. क्या कल हैरी ऑफिस आया था? डिड अगर आ रहा है किसी भी सेंटेंस में, इफ़ इट इज़ अ क्वेश्चन, देन इट विल ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद डिड और डू. अगर ये पास्ट टेंस है तो ये डिड के साथ में स्टार्ट होगा, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ क्वेश्चन एंड डिड इज़ अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. एंड हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ में, डिड के साथ में हमेशा वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म आता है. नॉट कम्स, नॉट केम. डिड हैरी कम टू द ऑफिस येस्टरडे? लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सेकंड पॉइंट. Dash, you see the new recipe that was posted on last Monday. So it is a past tense. ये बोलना चाह रहा है क्या तुमने न्यू रेसिपी देखी थी जो लास्ट मंडे को पोस्ट की गई थी? सो आई विल चूज डिड हेयर. डिड यू सी द न्यू रेसिपी दैट वाज पोस्टेड ऑन लास्ट मंडे? क्या तुमने वो रेसिपी देखी थी? सो आई विल यूज डिड बिकॉज इट इज़ अ क्वेश्चन. थर्ड पॉइंट. I dashed my work but forgot to report it to the manager. I did my work. मैंने अपना काम किया बट मैं मैनेजर को रिपोर्ट करना भूल गया. I did my work but forgot. Forgot is the verb and it is the second form of forget. Forget, forgot, forgotten. So that's why you get to know that it is a past tense, and that's why you have to use did. Fourth one. When dash you meet her last? तुम उससे आखिरी बार कब मिले? So आखिरी बार means it's again past tense. When did you meet her last? तुम उससे आखिरी बार कब मिले? Guys, always try to remember when you are using did, I'm reiterating myself, do not use the second form of the verb, because did is also helping verb and it is already a second form of do. So that's why you don't have to use second form of verb in your sentences. Fifth one. The vacuum cleaner dash a better job than the broom. Vacuum cleaner झाड़ू से अच्छा काम करता है. So vacuum cleaner is the singular subject. That's why you have to use does here. The vacuum cleaner does a better job than the broom. You don't have to use do here because vacuum cleaner is not a living thing. Also, it is the third person, you can say third object, and is a singular subject. Sixth point. My mom dash some magic tricks for us. Again, my mom. My mom is the singular subject, third person. So I'm talking about my mom, and mom is the third person. So I would say my mom does some magic tricks for us. मेरी मम्मी कुछ मैजिक ट्रिक्स हमारे लिए करती है. अगर मैं यहाँ पे बोलूँ कि मेरी फैमिली हमारे लिए कुछ फैमिली ट्रिक्स करती है, सो आई वुड से माई फैमिली मेम्बर्स, मेरे परिवार के कुछ लोग फैमिली ट्रिक करते हैं. सो माई फैमिली मेम्बर्स डू सम मैजिक ट्रिक फॉर अस. Okay, I hope you would have understood. Seventh point, dash, you watch movies at the theater or watch them at home. So it is a present tense. You can say it's a present progressive, simple present tense, sorry, it's a simple present tense. I'm asking a question, क्या तुम घर पे मूवी देखते हो और थिएटर में देखते हो? So I would say it's a question, and that's why do, because you have to use do with a singular subject, first person. So do you watch movies at the theater or watch them at home? इधर does नहीं आएगा guys, because जो you है वो first person है, third person नहीं है. 8 point, which subject, again you is the first person, then I would use do. No, not do, because it says you like when you were in school. जब तुम स्कूल में थे तुमने कौन सा सब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा पसंद था? So I will use do का second form did. Which subject did you like when you were in school? Okay, ninth one, there are so many new things for them to do at workplace. वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं करने को उनके लिए. So उनके लिए means plural. So when subject is plural, more than one person, then you have to use do. Do they like watching movies? क्या उनको पिक्चर देखना पसंद है? Do they like playing cricket? क्या उनको क्रिकेट खेलना पसंद है? So always try to remember, when there is more than one person, you have to use do as in helping verb. So it's a question. It's not a question. There are so many new things for them to do at workplace. Okay, so you will have to use do here. Last one, dash, you not hear what the milkman said. Milkman ने क्या कहा तुमने नहीं सुना? It is a past tense. It is an activity which has already happened or occurred in the past. So it's a question. So I would use did here. Did you not hear? क्या तुमने नहीं सुना what the milkman said? Milkman ने क्या कहा? Let's check out our score, guys. Here we go. We have got 100%, and I hope you would have understood the concept behind today's video. I just wanted you to understand the difference between do, does, did, how to use, where to use them, so that you can make more effective sentences while you communicate in English. So guys, we will meet up again in our next video. Till then, stay safe,